Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. Andrew Hartline here. I've got a short options video to go over with you today, and it's going to be our side drain out valve. So this is a disc valve that we locate in the cone of a bin, or it could be also located in the sidewall of a bin, but it allows a customer to drain the storage bin that we've provided when they're not able to locate a gate or a butterfly valve underneath the VTA box. So there are situations where we're trying to maximize the amount of storage in the bin with the ceiling height we've got, or we just need to keep it lowered for maybe some other reason that's going on in the facility, and we're not able to locate a Gaylord with the customer underneath the VTA box for them to drain out the bin in case there's contaminated material or they're doing a product changeover and they don't want to use the typical pneumatic handling system that it's connected to actually do the draining. We can drain it via gravity through a drain valve much faster. So we can, like I said, we can locate this disc valve pretty much on any surface of the storage bin. It does allow the bin to get evacuated, probably about 90+% of the material in the bin. So it's a nice little feature to have when we're dealing with low clearances or maximizing volume of a storage solution. Hopefully that brought you some value. We'll catch you on the next one.